Thomas and friends, making tracks to great destinations. Respect for Gordon. The engines of the Sodor Railway were always busy. Thomas puffed to the beaches with happy vacationers, and Gordon proudly pulled the express. Gordon thought he was the strongest, fastest, and cleanest engine on the whole of the railway. But one thing bothered him. His firebox rattled as it cooled down at night. Gordon knew his rattle stopped the other engines from getting to sleep. That night, Gordon's firebox went click, clonk, click, clonk. Thomas and Percy started to chuckle. "Rattler Gordon's keeping us all awake," peeped Percy.
"The only engines keeping other engines awake," huffed Gordon crossly, "are little engines with very bad manners."
But secretly, he felt rather embarrassed. In the morning, Percy teased Gordon again. "Rattlebox is awake at last," he puffed out loud. Gordon ignored Percy. He did not like to be called names.
"I am the strongest and best," he told himself. "Strongest and best, strongest and best, cleanest and fastest, and pull the express." He wished the other engines would remember that.
Later, Gordon pulled in the Knapford station. "Oh, look," laughed Emily. "Rattler Gordon's here. He's pulling the Clink Clunk Express." This made Gordon very cross indeed, especially because Diesel overheard.
"I hope your Clink Clunk gets better soon," oiled Diesel. "See you later, Rattler."
Gordon was very cross indeed. He decided it was time the other engines learned to treat him properly. So later at the water tower, he pulled up ahead of James. James was surprised. Ugh! At Knapford, Percy had brought Gordon's coaches into the number 1 platform.
"Off you go now, little Percy," said Gordon. "Number 1 is my platform. Little engines should not hang around."
"You're a boastful, bossy, big blue boiler," Percy muttered to himself crossly. Later, Gordon told his friends to give him a polite toot-toot whenever they saw him. "But why?" asked Thomas. He was very puzzled.
"Because," huffed Gordon grandly, "I am the strongest and the best."
And he steamed away. "You can toot at him all you like," wished Emily, "but I'm not going to."